Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we would like to present the result of our discussion about research method. First of all, let me introduce our team. Next. Number 1, Mustika Cahyaning Pertiwi. Number 2, Ning Tias. Number 3, Naili Zumrotul Fauziah. 4, Fatin Hayanafisah. Number 5, Meira. And the last, number 6, Desti Lulu Fauzia. Next. First, I will explain to you about research method. The review concentrates on research finding published between 1990 and 1996 and abstracted or cited in the Education Resource Information Center or ARC database or the SICLI database. This data is as representative of the index of core literature in the field of learning. Next.
Database search 1995 search hypermedia and learning and hypertext and learning queries and 97 sentences on each. Third, using the query hypermedia keyword, my and learning or instructional effectiveness or design, my generate 101 sentences to the first set of result, duplicate, remove. Cycle search, starting with the keyword query, hypertext or hypermedia, and cognitive or study, use 63 sentences of 97 articles to review in detail each of the criteria. After reviewing this, we found 25 that weren't in pilot review for this article. Next.
Database search 1995 until 1996. Search was complete in autumn 1996. ERIC database is searched through the query keywords and learning or instructional effectiveness or design with years limited in 1990 and 1996 for new entries in 21 citations. SICLI database was found through keyword queries, hypertext or hypermedia, and cognitive learning or study. The citation. The two lists were combined. Lists are removed. The new list provides 5 journal articles for a final total of 30 met all research criteria.
Hypermedia. The authors found the knowledge of the subject matter increased significantly after the use of the hypermedia treatment relative to pretest course, although it is not clear exactly what the knowledge. Most experimental studies of hypermedia involve unique application, often decided by the researchers themselves, investigating different learner population, various in age, skills, experience, ability, learning styles, and all the combination therein, assessing different learning tasks, and measure learning outcomes or use process differently. Next.
We need to remember that this literature is very difficult task. Chen and the 1996 grouped all of the studies under the heading of effectiveness and efficiency. They got lots of the being measured. Such an analysis right here is unlikely to be meaningfully applied literature. Most experimental study media involve self-designed application, investigate different learner population, assess different learning tasks, and measure learning outcomes are used processed differently. It is often necessary to describe in detail the methodology of a particular study. The overview can be broken down into three: A. Understanding present material. Student mastery of the presentation of the material. Individual difference in learning style.
Comprehension is a classic other measure of performance, perhaps the stronger type of in instruction. In a study regard compare hypermedia tools. The second is a process issue with regard to control, presentation, speed, and movement through the information is a variable that is true to in-course in the sense all learners have over that segment and critically is true to have a positive effect on learning outcome. The third deals of individual different analysis, focusing on the people of learner for one certain form of hypermemic of particular learning adventures. Education and learning. Education is the act of teaching knowledge, not the act of receiving knowledge from someone else. Education also refers to knowledge received through schooling or instructional, and the instruction as a whole. Learning refers to an involved process of acquiring new and knowledge through experiment, study and hypermedia. Various media panel which is regulated to hypermedia. A database. Academic database is a collection of information that is commonly used for research and reading, including access academic journals. Database is a collection of data or information stored systematically. Database is often important in tools to collect information, data or file in an integrated manner. Hypertext is text that has to do with the hypertext refers to text element that contain links to access blocks of text in the same document or several other documents. The cyclid is a CD-ROM version of psychological abstract. It was merged into the Alan Info in 2000. Cyclid can contain scientific and abstract for journal article, of English language chapter and book in psychology, as well as behavioral information for sociology, linguistics, law, psychiatry, and anthropology. Next.
Literature. All written works that can be used reference in various activities in the field of and other fields because they are considered to have lasting advantage or benefits. Dissertation. Dissertation is the final official scientific writing of students in the completion of the doctoral program. The dissertation is proof of a student to carry out research related to new discovery in a science program chosen by a doctoral student. Pragmatic. Pragmatic is a branch of linguistics that studies the relationship between the context outside speech and the meaning of speech through interpretation of the situation in which it is spoken. Next.
Epistemic. Epistemic in the knowledge of the contents and explanation or proof to find out the truth produced by science. Perspective. Perspective in general means the image used to communicate object in the form of object. Space, the environment seen by human eye into the flat plane. Explicit. Explicit is a direct delivery, where the content and message to be conveyed by the author can be understood directly. Next.
Cognitive. Cognitive is mental activities that enable an individual to relate, assess, and consider, and often so that the individual gains more reward. And the last jargon is theoretical. Theoretical is a form of thinking and a mindset which is based a form of thinking, where come from various form of existing theory as a foundation for doing something and something.
Guys, thank you so much for your attention. If you have about the focus of this presentation, please leave a comment in the okay guys, thank you so much for. If you have any question about the focus of this presentation, please comment in the box. My authors we have shared the benefit for of use. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.